All right, let's jump right in and take a guided tour of the Malware Analysis Launchpad.
Ever wanted to poke around inside real malware, but, without blowing up your own computer?
Well, here it is, the Malware Analysis Launchpad, or MAL. It's a completely self-contained, hands-on hacking lab. Think of it as a totally safe sandbox built for just one thing: analyzing nasty code.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to break down sketchy files and see what they do.
And the best part? It's all automated. You get to skip the boring setup and just analyze.
You get your own Windows VM, a whole suite of pre-installed tools, and a unique malware sample.
But hey, tools aren't everything. You've got to get into the right headspace. Think like a real analyst.
And that brings us to the core methodology. It's a 5-step process you'll follow for every investigation.
This whole process is basically your roadmap. It makes sure you're thorough every single time.
It's all about building practical skills, like spotting persistence methods and documenting what you find.
You'll also get into some pretty advanced stuff like C2 communication. That's malware phoning home.
The lab is packed with industry-standard tools like Wireshark for network traffic and X64DBG for debugging. And you're not going in blind. Every single challenge comes with video lessons and other helpful resources.
So, the lab has 10 hands-on challenges, each one with a totally new sample and a fresh goal.
So how do you get scored? Well, 80% is on your technical skills, 20% is on your reporting. Just a couple of ground rules to succeed. Stick to the official tools, and please don't share solutions. The whole point isn't just to finish. It's about getting better at how you investigate malware.
Because in cybersecurity, you don't learn this stuff from a textbook. You learn it by doing.